Hey y'all, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company, and it is fall. I'm going to show you fall decorating mistakes people are making. Are you making this mistake at home? Let's find out. Question of the video, which of these mistakes are you making? Now be honest, or maybe you want to leave a comment and just tell me one other mistake that you see that is absolutely cringe. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to show you all of these tips with this collection right here behind me. I'm going to show you common mistakes people are making when decorating for fall, and I don't even have to move. This is going to be easy. You guys ready? Come along with me and let's get into fall. We're starting to decorate for fall. Huge mistake I see is not grounding your items to your counters. And what do I mean by grounding? I mean just by placing a simple pumpkin here and not adding anything around it to give you all the cozy fall vibes. Fall is all about being cozy and layers, so we're gonna layer right here around this beautiful jack-o'-lantern pumpkin and make it really look special. Here we go. It's like I just went and pulled them off of the tree outside. Some beautiful leaves for fall always make a statement. And what I'm going to do is simply tuck these in and around. So this is a trick. I'm just placing that right back there. I've let some of those beautiful stems pop up and out around this jack-o'-lantern, and I'm adding layers. So this is a must. This shows off and displays your beautiful fall products, and we're layering with some MACKENZIE Childs behind, which looks good for every season. So that's one of the seasonal things that can always stay, MACKENZIE Childs, but then we're gonna bring in this beautiful focal point right here, and we're grounding it with these beautiful fall stems. That's just gonna really make it pop. But I'm not finished. I'm not just gonna add these stems and call it good. I wanna add a little more texture. My final texture, you might have seen this in other videos. I love this. It has pine cones. It has all the different berries and eucalyptus wreaths. I've already taken this and kind of bent it just slightly, and that's because this little pick is gonna kind of go out and around my little pumpkin. So I'm gonna stick it right back in here where nobody will see it, and I'm just adding that beautiful cozy layer of fall right here to my pumpkin. One of the biggest mistakes we see are people not mixing textures. And as you can see here, there's a lot of textures. We've got a wood texture. This is a terracotta texture. We have a texture back here that is actually a metal or metallic. And then of course we have the stone granite. So this is a beautiful collection of textures that mix really well together. One other little hack, this cute adorable jack-o'-lantern, I love him. He's like a Halloween kind of item where he transitions from fall to Halloween. But if you're not big into jack-o'-lanterns before October, you can just turn this pumpkin around just like this and it looks like fall. One huge mistake is not using candles around your house, not only for the fragrance, but also as decor. These beautiful candles right here look so cute, styled on this MACKENZIE plate, used as a tray. It just brings in what we have in the back down to a really pretty focal point. What's so great about these candles is actually there's oil that goes in them, so they last forever. And once the oil is burned out, they just self-extinguish. It's absolutely amazing. These are a must-have for fall. One of the easiest ways to elevate your whole living space, adding candles for decor. What are some decorating mistakes you see when decorating for seasons? Now that can include fall or Christmas, because you know we're about to start decorating for Christmas, and I'd love to be able to answer some of your questions in one of our Christmas videos. So let me know some common decorating mistakes that are cringe-worthy to you. Okay friends, there you have it. I didn't even move from this location at all to show you those common mistakes that are cringe-worthy, and you're gonna tell me if you're making any of those mistakes. Let's talk about them, or talk about whether you think it's a mistake or not a mistake. Maybe you think it's a trend. Who knows? I'd like to hear from you. As always, smash that subscribe button, y'all, because we've got so much new content coming out and we're working really hard to bring it to you. I know you're loving it. We can tell because of all of your comments. And don't forget, we're gonna have so many beautiful videos coming out with Amber Marie Manor very soon. We can't even film inside Amber Marie Manor because if we did, we would be giving away all of our secrets that we're going to be releasing at a later date for Christmas. So we are now doing our videos right now inside my mom's kitchen because we don't want you to see yet what we're doing to the manor. Follow along, y'all. Let's do it.